Good morning. Thanks for choosing KFTX. I'm Jaron Spoor.
And I'm Carney Porter. Day 9 of the James Staley trial is in the books with more testimony set to begin later today.
Curtis Jackson is set in on the trial for us all week and has a recap of yesterday and also what's to come for today.
Good morning, Texoma. Another grueling day of testimony is ahead of us, set to begin in just a few short hours with Dr. Suzanne Daigle with Children's Health still on the stand. Now, Dr. Daigle played a crucial role in charges being filed in Wilder's death back in 2020. We'll have her testimony coming up a little bit later for you, but until then, here's a recap of yesterday's testimony. Bevel told jurors he believes a U-shaped blood stain on the floor where Wilder was found matches a similar U-shaped blood stain on the pillow that was found in Wilder's crib, and says due to multiple stains on that pillow, he believes trauma had to have happened in the crib before Wilder was taken. Also, he pointed out what he believes to be a palm print blood stain on the pillow, which he says couldn't be Wilder's palm print because he had no blood on his hands. He says if Wilder injured himself then climbed out of the crib, there would be blood transfer on the railing of the crib, which was not present. Also, if Wilder had fallen out of the crib and died due to the injuries inflicted from the fall, then there would be some type of smearing to the blood stain found on the floor. In the defense's cross-examination, defense attorney Mark Daniel grilled Bevel and attempted to poke holes in his 15-page report, first pointing out several grammatical mistakes and misspellings. He also tried to discredit the report by pointing out serious errors and misinterpretations. For example, as he asked questions and showed a photo what Bevel said was bruising on Wilder's arm, he then asked Bevel if he would be surprised to know the photo was not his arm but a leg. Bevel said he did not know it was not his arm. Daniel said not only was this missed by Bevel, but also in a peer review of his report. The prosecution pointed out bruises on a leg could also indicate there was a struggle. Bevel also previously reported that a dark substance on Staley's fingernails the day of the incident could be blood, but a week ago he added to his report that the substance could also be salsa because that's what Staley was eating the night before. Daniel believes it could be residue from ice cream sandwiches that Staley ate the night prior and not blood. Now, Day 9 is set to begin at 9 a.m. here at the Tim Curry Criminal Justice Center. Now be sure to stick with us here on air and online as we bring you the latest updates. Also, our digital reporter Josh Hoggard will be giving you a live play-by-play blog of the trial every single day. So each morning be sure to stick with Texomashomepage.com.